Hello everyone. In TLA 30.1 Part 1 tutorial, we have seen how to use gradients in CSS. In this particular tutorial, we are going to learn how to animate those gradients with the help of a feature called keyframes. We have used the same CSS and HTML document which was used in TLA 30.1 Part 1. In this CSS document, we see that the linear gradient is already applied. It is only a matter of applying animation to this gradient. Let us first set animation name as move gradient in camel casing. You may use any meaningful name here. It is totally your choice, but avoid using keywords. We then set animation duration as 0.5 seconds. This will ensure that the motion will be very quick as the duration is small. You may also manipulate this number to a different value and see what happens. We then set the animation iteration count as infinite. This is because we want the animation to run infinitely. In case you want animation to run for a specific amount of time, then you may use an integer value to set it as per your requirement. For example, if you want the animation to run 5 times, then you will have to set this value to 5. Furthermore, we set the animation direction as alternate. This is because we want to see motion in both directions without any discontinuity. Once we finish targeting the required class with all animation properties, it's time to now define which is the property that is going to be animated. We use the @keyframes followed by the animation name, which in this case is move gradient. Inside the curly braces, we then use the syntax as displayed. In this case, we want the background size to vary from a 100% to 150%. Hence, inside from and to parameters, we are using the background size property with different values as shown. Once we do this, it's time to now run the HTML document with live server. Let us check it out. Yes. We can now see a nice dynamic effect taking place right in front of us. It is as if the gradient itself is moving. Congratulations! You have now learned to animate the gradients. Explore the concept with different properties inside the @keyframes to see beautiful animations.